came in like a wrecking ball.
Yeah. I sprayed him with the water.
Oh. So, Chris, when did you do your first jump?
Long time ago.
Long time.
September sometime 2012.
And you just came back to see us again a few weeks ago?
Yeah, after 15 months away.
Well, we are glad to have you back. Can I get a him?
Him! Fuck him! Post this on Facebook!
Thank you.
Alright, now clean up those plates.
Everybody grab a plate!
Somebody that's like, push this on Facebook. Yeah, that's good.
Nice.
Oh, hey. Look at that.
Thank you.